it's Miss Hake and we're back. Okay, the 2 nursery rhymes that we were studying were all connected by one little character. Do you know what it was? Little Miss Muffet. Who was she scared by? That's right, a spider. And who went down the water spout? A spider. Okay, so I actually cut this off of a mask, and it's the ears of the mask, and so it's kind of bouncy, so it's kind of nice. And I made an Itsy Bitsy Spider on the end. And then I went and I got a toilet paper roll, and you can use a longer roll, like a paper towel roll. And he climbed up the water spout. Whoop. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. So I want you to have a fun time making Itsy Bitsy Spider and water spouts, and you can practice your poem. And now this spider can also be used if you wanted to act out the Little Miss Muffet story. So have lots of fun acting out those 2 rhymes. And whoop, scare me. Itsy Bitsy Spider is my favorite. So have fun. I just used 2 little pieces of paper. I made a back to my spider and a front, so I could just glue them together. And I used the earpiece from a mask that I had, so I recycled that. And then it was really easy to decorate my cylinder, my spout, big, and play. All right, have so much fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye.